Hi, my friends. Welcome back on Heavenly Bites by Minaz. Today, I'm going to share with you a Konkani sweet delicacy which is called pataule. This is so quick that you assemble, mix, and steam and enjoy yourself. So, here it is. So what I have here is the turmeric leaves. Okay, so to make pataule, the other day I was at the market. I went to pick up some spices, and there I saw these leaves, and I thought this looks like turmeric leaves. And we from the Konkan side used to make a delicacy called pataule, and you need to have these leaves. And when I saw that, I said, wow, maybe I can try it out. So yes, you get these leaves in most of the traditional stores where you get spices as well as pandan leaves or dry fish, right? So this in Singapore, it's available in Little India, Geylang, right? So, and in India, it's also available in the vegetable markets, right? Especially whenever you go to the main market. So here I've taken 2 cucumbers and I've grated and kept it aside. So this is how we're going to scrape the good, right, the jaggery, so that we can add it to the cucumber sweet. Yeah, you can see, right? So I have similar ones like them here. Okay, now you have already seen the ingredients I showed you earlier. The jaggery that I made into small pieces is out here. So I have jaggery ready. I have the rice flour. I have the grated coconut and the grated cucumber, right? I have kept some salt ready. So what I have here, I'm going to take the 2 medium-sized cucumber. I'm actually going to be using everything because I'm making this after a very long time. So inshallah, feel like having maybe some today, some tomorrow. Okay, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add the jaggery. You had seen earlier. Now what I'll do is I'll first mix and see both these things, so that I'll need to see how sweet it is, so that I'll realize whether I need to put some more jaggery to it, because I have yet to add the coconut as well as the rice flour. So everything has to blend well. So that's how right now I'll see, and then I'll give you the ingredients in the description as well as in the video. Okay, so you see here I'm just mixing the cucumber with the jaggery, so it's already melting. We haven't used any heat or anything. We are just on room temperature, and it's melting into the cucumber. So now we are adding some salt, little bit, not much, because as I said, jaggery also has some sort of salt in it. So now you see, after this is how the jaggery has melted, how thick, watery it's become. Yeah, that's why you saw initially when I was grating, when I showed you the grated cucumber, I also removed the water out of it. Yeah, because we didn't want additional water of it, because we knew that the jaggery would be leaving after melting some more of its juices. Yeah? So now I'm going to add the coconut. Okay. Taking the coconut, I'm adding the coconut, mixing it well. And also I'm going to add the rice flour. So it has to be nice and thick. That's when it will remain on the leaf to be steamed. So we'll take the flour from the edges and mix it well, like like, we're not baking, so you don't need to fold, but yeah, we're just mixing it well. Yeah, it's nice and thick, just the way it's supposed to be. So it has to be thick like this, so that it remains on the leaf well. You can see the leaf out here. Yeah, this is going to be on this leaf. And once I put on the leaf, you need to have this. You can see the steamer here that we have. Yes, this is the steamer normally I use for my what do you say, dosa, not dosa but the idli, right? I normally use this for my idli. I steam it, I put in some water inside, and then I use normally for my idli. Now since what I'm going to do is I'm going to add those leaves on top of this. Yeah, so don't worry, you don't have to actually buy things to make this stuff. If you have a steamer at home, you can do it in that, right? In the leaf, this is the leaf that I washed and I wiped it. This is a very delicate leaf, so you have to be very, very careful when you're handling it. So here what I have is, I'm going to add this batter. And it's going to be folded, so I'm going to fold it like this. Yeah, so I need to make sure this much is what I'm going to add the batter. And you don't have to load it too much, right? When you want to eat a patole, you know the name how it is, patole, that means it has to be nice and thin, good enough to enjoy it. So this is how I'll take the filling of this shape, like the leaf, and then I'm going to close it like this. Yeah, so it's going to be closed like this. Then I'm going to add it to the steamer. So what I'll do is I'll prepare the leaves and I will put some water in the steamer. So you've seen here, right? I've been filling the leaves up like this, and then I'm folding it like this, right? Same thing with here. I have filled up the leaves with the filling, and yes, lovely. Yeah, just making sure, yeah, it doesn't come off. Lovely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to steam this. Yeah. So you can see I've just tried this technique, yeah, using the idli sacha, right? And I have prepared these ready. Now this will go in. You can see here, oh lovely, yeah, a wonderful boil to the water. Now I'm going to add in. Oh, that's going to be a challenge. Oh, okay. To make sure, 1 minute, yeah, I'm going to steam this out. You can see I'm going to steam this for half an hour, and it should be done. Yeah, the coconut, the fresh coconut, the jaggery, and that lovely rice flour, you know, everything mixed together with, and then amazing cucumber, and then imagine with that turmeric leaf, what's going to be the flavor. You know how simple people in the earlier times lived. Whatever was available at home, they made a sweet out of it, you know. So wow, that was like no extra spending, and eating organic, and you don't even travel to buy anything, isn't it? Everything made from whatever is available at home. Yeah, so sharing this amazing Konkani sweet recipe with you all. Do try it out and let me know whether you've enjoyed it or not. Oh, lovely. Look at that steam. Cucumber, sweet, jaggery, and coconut in turmeric leaf. Wow, all of them ready. I can't wait to dig into one of them. Let me see. It's been ages since I've had. Okay, wow. So actually you can remove it like this, but I want to have from the leaf with a flavor. It's good. It's good. So you need to taste this. If you like this recipe, Do try it on. Share with your friends. Like and subscribe. Thank you.